Feeling lucky? Let's dive into how you can download the Aviator Predictor app, but proceed with caution. First things first, be aware that most Aviator Predictor apps aren't available on official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store. So, let's get into it. For Android users, you'll need to enable unknown sources in your phone's settings. Go to Settings. Install Unknown Apps. Allow from this source for your browser. Then, search for Aviator Predictor APK download and choose a reputable site. Download the APK file, open it from your Files or Downloads app, and hit Install. Remember to disable unknown sources afterward. For iOS users, it's trickier. You'll need to find a site claiming to inject the app via your browser. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, but be extremely cautious. Remember, these apps carry significant risks. Many are scams, and using them might violate casino terms. Always gamble responsibly. Good luck, but stay safe out there.